Off to repair some fences at one of our investment properties.
Let's go. Okay, today we're just doing the fence panels here. Got to repair 2 on that side. I mean, not 2, we need to get 4, so we're gonna change this one, make them taller, and then a few of them down there at the end. Now we're just gonna take the broken one out.
And the other ones...
Hi. Let go.
These days, you gotta be tight. We moved all these panels and replaced the worst ones at the other end.
There, and John is your uncle. So it's always a good idea to measure from post to post, just in case the posts have moved. You don't want to have a problem when you're putting in a new fence and it's kind of really getting tight.
Tight like his wallet.
That will be a big issue. So measure from here to here. So that will be 82. Then measure on the bottom, longer. So the panels are actually 183, but this post at the top is 182. So what we want to do is move that fence over there so it allows it to move backwards. Then we want to slot this one in after. So now both of those are removed. Now we can actually push that post ever so slightly that way to offer the new fence on the first panel over here. So we swapped a lot of the fences, taken all the good ones and put them at the back down there, and all the bad ones, junk. And we just chopped that tree down as well over here, which is great.
Now let's be clear, we are only doing the front 4 panels and not all off them. There is a reason behind this, and we are not just being cheap.
I went crazy over yeah, la vida se bici. I went crazy over you.
It's the last one, guys. They're watching live. Good job, bad job. Okay, these are dip treed fences. And here's my Uncle John from Jamaica. Keeps on calling every day. And let's just have a wider perspective of this job. Switch to the wide lens. So these are just going to be the taller ones, just to create more privacy at the start of the house.
I went crazy over yeah, la vida se bici. I went crazy over you.
Now for some behind-the-scenes footage.
Burning some stuff now. Is this legal? Yes, it is.
And while that was cooking, we went to the junkyard.
Here, come. Lift. Okay. So we couldn't find a room for the night, but we got this anyway. This one crazy mother. John, I only seen this kind of stuff done in Mr. Bean. The Asian Mr. Bean here. What is this, man? So what should be a 10-minute journey has become a half-an-hour journey. This is why I bloody moved out of London, mate. It's lovely. We're at the tip now, but now there's more traffic. Rush hour at the tip, mate.
Yeah, so it would be really lovely.
Okay. Go on, mate. Yeah, pull it. Just carry it on flight. Pull it. Just lift it a little bit. God, this. Go on, mate. Yeah. Yeah, awesome. Now go sleep now. I'm tired. Go on. Go on, mate. Yeah. Shame on you, John. Look at him. Faster, mate. Kids say. Hello. Kids say.